Hello everybody, this is Caroline Alizon, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Friday, November 26th of 2010, and we're looking at the QQQQ daily chart. And wow, we had a really low volume day today. It's not really impressive. It's after the holidays, so everybody's gone enjoying their families, and we're just gonna be back in the game on Monday. But check this out. We are forming a low doji right here at this point on a daily chart, on the QQQQ daily chart actually. And look at this. We just pointed higher today above that upper area of resistance right here at the 53 mark, and then we closed below it, which is still indicating that we are bearish. And check this out. We're still bearish according to the MACD, pointing lower and closer to the zero line, and then with another negative tick. So what we should look for here and watch for next week is a breakout one way or the other. Are we forming another high base here? Don't know. So that's what I would really like you to pay attention to, that upper area of resistance right here that we have on our way up. That would be the first one that we're just going to get to, and you'll have to watch it really closely to see if we're going to break through it and close above it. So the first one is at 53.45, and the next major area of support on our way down is right here at this. Actually, both of these support levels are crossing right here at the same point. It's a very major area of support right here at the 52.25 mark. So watch this area of support really closely. So to see if we're gonna break through it and close below it. So these two are very key points right now to watch. And if we point lower next week, then we would form a lower high, which is indicating bearish. And then we would have some more room to go down. Let me draw a little trend line in here so that you can better see it. Right there. See how perfect we closed and actually how we hit that upper area of resistance. Let me make it a little bit bigger. See how perfect we hit that area of resistance and then we pull back down. You don't even know how perfect and how strong these little trend lines are. That's why I just really like to have them on my chart. And then what we are going to have here, we're going to have a low trend line right here that we would need to actually watch on our way down if we head back south. Let me make it a little bit bigger again. So see, if we pull back down, we'll have to first of all break through that area of support that I pointed here to you, 52.23, and then close below it, and then we would have some more room to go down all the way down to that lower area of support right here that I have drawn. Big yellow trend line, the thick yellow trend line right here. So watch these areas of support and resistance really closely next week. And as always, look for a confirmation with the MACD. Don't really pay attention to any opinions. Just always trade what you see, not what you and others think. That this is a key point to remember and a key phrase to remember. And also pay close attention to the volume. If volume is going to pick up a little bit, then we're back in the game and traders are back from their vacation and everybody is back trading. So pay attention to that too. So again, watch key levels of support and resistance that I showed you here today and look for confirmation with the MACD, and watch that zero line really closely. If we cross it and we break through that zero line to the negative side of the MACD, we're gonna be in trouble. So watch this area really closely too. So again, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you again on Monday.